Hello, and thank you for your interest in Connect to AD. In this video, we'll explore how mappings in Connect to AD can be used to sync Active Directory attributes and groups. There are two kinds of mappings: field mappings, which update AD attributes, and group mappings, which handle group memberships. Field mappings keep Active Directory attributes up to date by syncing values from UKG. As the data moves from UKG to AD, it can be transformed. For example, choosing to use a preferred name instead of a legal name. Mappings support both simple expressions and conditional expressions. Simple expressions are designed to fulfill basic needs, such as referencing a single UKG field, while conditional expressions are used when the requirements are more complex, and you need to evaluate the data before you send it over to Active Directory. In this example, we will first add the job title field mapping, and then use a simple expression to map the UKG long job title to the AD title attribute. In this next example, we'll use a simple expression to enable a user's AD account when their employee status in UKG is set to active. Conditional expressions let you customize values or actions based on a list of conditions, which are evaluated from the top down. In this example, a common scenario, we'll use a conditional expression to set the container where the user should be located. In this instance, we have decided that new users will be moved to the new users OU. Terminated users will be moved to the disabled users OU. The rest of the users will not be moved from their current position. Group mappings use simple or conditional expressions to determine which groups the user should belong to. In this example, we set up a group mapping for the active users group. The expression states that when a user is active in UKG, they're added to the group. If their status changes, for example when they're terminated, they're automatically removed. That concludes our look at mappings. For more information, see the Mappings section in our Help Center, or contact support@connecttoad.com. Thanks for watching.